Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Hiroshima style okonomiyaki. I believe there are two big differences from Osaka style okonomiyaki. One is they use yakisoba noodle to make it, and the second difference is they don't mix the ingredients like they do in Osaka. They're more like layer the ingredients, pile them up like lasagna or those kind of stuff. I'd say to make it is not that easy, but the taste is super yummy. So why don't we try making it? Alright, let's get started! Alright, the ingredients for Hiroshima Okonomiyaki is 8, I believe. One is cake flour. It is to be mixed with water and used to make some butter. Ingredients number 2 is shredded cabbage. I don't shred it yet. Number 3 is bean sprout. Number 4 is tempura beets. Ingredients number 5 is bonito flakes. Number 6 is sliced pork. Number 7 is yakisoba noodle. And I forgot to bring it on the table, but the last one, 8, is an egg. We got 6 steps making it. You can skip step 1 if you have okonomiyaki sauce at your home. But if you don't have it and you can't find one in the nearest Asian grocery store, then you just make homemade okonomiyaki sauce. The taste is a little bit different, but it's kind of similar, I believe. Step 2 is to make butter with cake flour and water. When you mix them up, pan fry it on the hot plate. Be sure make the plate is hot before you put the butter. And put some bonito flakes on it. Do not pour all the butter in this step. You should save a bit for the step 3. Step 3 is to layer the ingredients. Start with shredded cabbage, go on to beans, sprout, tempura beets, more bonito flakes, and finish up with the sliced pork. And lastly, please pour the remaining butter and wait for a few minutes. Step 4 is to flipping it over. After a few minutes, flip over the okonomiyaki. Don't get upset if you can't flip over it good. If the taste is good, it's good. After flipping over, slide the okonomiyaki and make some space on the plate for the yakisoba noodle. I recommend you to press the plate once or twice to make the okonomiyaki thinner. Step 5 is to stir fry the yakisoba noodle. You can use some water to lose the noodles and pour some okonomiyaki sauce on it. Step 6 is to place the okonomiyaki on the pan-fried noodle and make some space on the plate again for the egg. Stir fry the egg, break the yolk, and then put the okonomiyaki with the noodle on the egg. Flip it over and put some seasoning like okonomiyaki sauce, more bonito flakes, and aonori seaweed. It's gonna take a little time, but I believe it would be super yummy. So why don't we go on to step 1? Why don't we make homemade okonomiyaki sauce? The main thing is ketchup, tomato ketchup. Yeah, this is it. And pour some sriracha sauce, a bit, just a bit. Well, not a bit. Along with the soy sauce. And a bit of sugar. Yeah, the sugar. Oh, it's like that. Before we go on to step 2, why don't we shred the cabbage? Okay. Okay, be sure to put them in the fresh water Yeah, like this. It's gonna keep the cabbage fresh. Okay, the cabbage is ready. When are we going to step 2? Right, when are we going to step 2? Step 2 is to make the batter with cake flour, about half cup. Yeah, it's okay. It's about half cup. Okay. Then you pour water, fresh water. Okay, exactly 1 cup. Right. Yes, the butter's ready. Alright, next thing you do is to pan fry the butter. Put some vegetable oil on it. Just go like this. Okay. Right. It's okay. Pour the butter. I'll leave some butter for the step 3. If you can make it round, you can use the other side of radle and make it a circle. Right. And put some bonito flakes on it. You don't need to wait so long before you put the cabbage. Yeah, great, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to bean sprout, making a layer of ingredients with cabbage, bean sprout, cankas bits. Yeah, another bunny flakes. Yeah, finish up with the pork belly slices. Ribs 3 is good for it. Oh no. Right. 1, 2. This is the second one. Right, it's okay. And then you put the remaining butter on it. It's gonna help the pork to get softened. Yeah, you don't have to waste too long before you flip it over. Yeah. Meat's supposed to be, this direction. Not like this or not like this. Oh yeah, you made it. Okay, wait for a while. Press it a while. Right. If it's scattered, it's okay. You can gather it. Right. Push it. Yeah, I believe it's gonna be step 5. Step 5. Get the yakisoba noodles ready. Just a bit of vegetable oil. place the yakisoba noodles. A bit of water will help the noodle to get loose. Right. Homemade okonomiyaki sauce on it. Right. Wow, looks good, isn't it? Place the okonomiyaki on the noodle. Yeah, it's pressed. You get thin. Great. Right. It's done well, I believe. Right. Then we go on to the last step. We're gonna stir fry the egg. Here. The egg. Fry this like this. Break the tom yolk. Right. No. Do not go there. Don't go there. Yeah, it's great, isn't it? It's good. Yes, it's good. Right. Press, another place. Okay, it's time to place the okonomiyaki onto the egg. Yes, that's it. Right. Well, next thing is the last thing. Flipping over again. So, right. It's okay, isn't it? It doesn't look good, but I believe it's gonna taste good. Okay, put some seasonings. The okonomiyaki sauce. Yeah, looks great. Homemade one. Yeah, bonito flakes. Yeah, bonito flakes. Then, I don't know the seaweed. Alright, now the Hiroshima style okonomiyaki is ready. Alright, to make a Hiroshima style okonomiyaki is not that easy, but it's worth trying because it will be super yummy and you'll enjoy the difference from Osaka style okonomiyaki. Anyway, I hope you like this video and I'll be happy when I see you. Leave comments down below and put thumbs up button and subscribe. Okay, take good care and see you in the next video. Arigato, bye bye, see you.